Canon AV-1 top cover removal. We're going to start by removing the front panel. You need to remove these for screws. I had a little trouble with this one because the bottom screw was stripped. So I had to drill it off. Remove the other top cover screws, including 2 below the front cover. Unscrew the film advancing lever. You can apply some pressure with your finger and remove it. Unscrew the film rewinding knob. You just have to hold and unscrew it. Now, we have to remove this clip. Be careful to not lose it. Now, you're ready to remove the top cover. I had a lot of trouble because of this other stripped screw. Be careful with the small components. And now, we're going to do a little cleaning. We are also going to remove the viewfinder, so we can clean it. Remove both top screws. And the viewfinder will come loose. Now, we can clean the viewfinder with some lens tissue and reassemble the viewfinder. With the viewfinder in place, put it all back in the reverse order. Thanks for watching.